new video. In this video, we'll be talking about Nordic Nest Furnishings. This video is being presented today by me, Hamza Samir Alam, Hamad Asjad, Sean Ajay, Mukul, and Harpreet Jotman. In this video, we'll be discussing or talking about what is Nordic Nest Furnishing, what do they do. We are also going to be telling you about the strategic planning and productivity behind it, the production process for sofas, which is the product in concern today, the productivity metrics along with it. We'll also be trying to explain the strategic capacity planning and the break-even analysis for a better understanding of the company. We'll be also telling you the product layout, the statistical quality control, and the aggregate operational planning. Before we get into the technical stuff, let me just tell you what Nordic Nest Furnishing is all about. So Nordic Nest Furnishing specializes in providing customer with high quality, stylish, sustainable, and affordable home furniture. The case study comprehensively analyzes Nordic Nest Furnishing's operation management strategies, focusing on key areas critical for its success. The core area of focus today would be strategic planning and productivity, strategic capacity planning, product layout design, statistical quality control methodologies, along with aggregate operational planning. To provide a specific context, the study will emphasize the production of Nordic Nest sofas, offering detailed insights into their manufacturing and operational processes. With that, let me start with strategic planning and productivity. So, the mission of the company is to enhance home with accessible, high quality, stylish, and sustainable furniture. Same as that, the vision is to be the most trusted brand in home furnishings, with their competitive advantage being there because of their Scandinavian inspired designs, cost efficient production, and sustainable products. The target audience is or are the young professionals, families, and environmentally conscious individuals or consumers. The key strategy which they use in their production and operation, which also results in their being successful, are four. There is following. The first is cost efficiency. It has a very streamlined production and a flat packaging policy. The second is product innovation. It has a very modular and multifunctional approach to their furniture. So it makes it very versatile in nature and it is adaptable to the new gen designs. Sustainably initiatives. So it is made out of renewable materials, which also reduces the recycling cost, making it very efficient in storing and reducing the wastage. Fourth is operational excellence, lean manufacturing, and data-driven logistics. With that, I would like to ask Hamad to carry forward with the presentation to give you a better understanding of their operation and management. Hamad, take it forward.
Thank you very much, Hamza. Uh, I'm going to explain the production processes for the sofa production. So there are some process, like first one is design and prototyping. Nordic first design as designers develops sleek, space efficient sofas with the focus on durability and excellence. Prototypes undergoes a lot of tests for quality and functionability. So the other one is material sourcing. Wood, foam, and metal components are sourced from sustainable suppliers. Recycled and eco-friendly materials are uh, prioritized. So the next one is manufacturing. Production occurs in outsourced facilities with strict quality control standards. Flat pack design optimizes space for shipping and storage. That's its benefit. Then quality control. Products are assessed for structural integrity, wear resistance, and environmental compliance. After this, we have packing and logistics. Flat packed sofas minimize packing waste and transportation cost. Products are efficiently distributed to the warehouse and rental stores. Rental and customer assembly. sold in Nordic Nest stores and online, offering flexible uh, del- delivery options. Self-assembly enhances affordability and the customer engagement. So next slide, please. Relevant productivity metrics to evaluate Nordic Sofa's production efficiency. The following productivity measures are used. First one is labor cost, in which we have formula output divided by input as a labor hours. This one is used to measure workforce efficiency in assembly and production line. Then we have material productivity. For this we have output, which is unit of sofa divided by input new raw material used. It ensures minimal waste and optimized resource utilization. And then capital productivity. This one is used to turn investment the manufacturing technologies. Here we use the output divided by the input as a capital investment in production facilities. After this, we have our overall equipment efficiency, evaluates production and equipment availability, performance, and quality. So then supply chain efficiency, which measures uh, inventory turnover and delivery lead times to streamline logistics. By, optim- by optimizing these productivity metrics, Nordic Nest can enhance operational efficiency, reduce cost, and strengthen its position as a leader in sustainable furniture solutions. Now I request Harpreet Jyot to turn.
Microphone is still enabled now. Strategic capacity planning objective is optimal production capacity to meet demand. Approach is hybrid forecasting using historical data and market trends. Benchmarking is against competitor like IKEA, which is Swedish giants, so you understand what they're competing against. Global production hubs are China, Poland, and Switzerland. Key consideration to be taken into account are forecasting and demand alignment, global production capabilities, and capacity and flexibility options are. Break-even analysis there. So break-even analysis is about all about the amount of quantity when there's a profit starts happening. So what happens here is investment of Canadian $15 million is right here. Multifunction sofa frame is there. Cost optimization is produced as Canadian 300 to 400 Canadian dollars per unit. Waste reduction saving is approximately 1.5 million Canadian dollars. Material reduction improvement is 75% and CO2 emission reduction is 225 tons. Now I will, if my slides are left, okay, no. Mukul, can you please continue from late here on?
Thank you, Arpijot, for your explanation. Now, my part for this project is product layout. Firstly, raw materials are assembled because it directly impacts the efficiency, quality, and cost of production. After that, framework is constructed because it is the core structure on which rest of product is built. Cushioning and upholstery, it is done to provide comfort and aesthetics. After that, quality control is done to check if products have meet established standards. At the last, finishing and packaging, its main focus is on to improvement and appearance of production of the product. My second part is functional layout. In this, material handling, in which raw material like wood, fabric, or foam are stored. After that, cutting and shaping section is designated as a separate section. Third one is frame fabrication, in which frames are fabricated. After that, quality control section refers to a step in which sofas are inspected. The last one is uh, finishing and packaging is done. My third part is process layout, in which there are two key principles, which is product flow optimization, in which workstations are arranged so that each step naturally follows the previous one. Second one is material handling, in which efficient tools are used like conveyors, trolleys, and forklifts to reduce manual handling. Next slide, please. My next part is statistical quality control, in which the first one is variable sofa seat width, target 120 centimeter, positive negative 0.5 centimeter. Third one is sample size, which is 5 sofas per batch. Fourth one is number of batches, which are 10. Next one is control charts. X bar and R charts are used. The last one is result, which shows process is in control. Now I will ask my friend Sean to present his part. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukul. And I, Oluwaseun Ayodele, I shall be presenting the aggregate operation planning. So, and the products, our product focus is just a minute. Our product focus is just storage furniture, which is sofa, bookshelf, foldable wardrobes. And the strategy we're going to be using for this is the strategy we're going to be using for this is the hybrid approach, which we'll use to balance the productivity and the inventory. So, and the key element that this gonna feature shall be five, which we have low price strategy, we have flat part product, we have sustainability strategy, we have inventory management strategy, and we have a logistics strategy. So, looking at the trial and error approach, so what we shall be focusing on around here shall be adaptability, cost optimization, and resources efficiency. And so in conclusion, so we look at this. So our products have developed operational management strategy that are crucial for scaling our business efficiency to meet growing demand. So the key focus of our operation is the commitment to environmental sustainability, which is integrated into various aspects of our product and supply chain. So by optimizing our operations, our product, which is our Nordic Nest Furnishing, is well positioned to compete with major global players in the furniture market, such as IKEA. So, and our product approach, which is our Nordic Nest Furniture, will reflect a dedication to continuous improvement regularly and redefine their processes and fostering innovation to stay competitive and meet customers' needs. So at this point, we're gonna say thank you to everyone, all my teammates and the viewers that have been listening out there. We really believe that this our project will be of a use to you later in future in any of your approach in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, bro.
Thanks a lot.